In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinterest button to your WordPress website images for free without coding. First, open your browser and head to Pinterest. Make sure you're signed in so you can quickly reference your profile or a specific board. On Pinterest, click your profile or the area that lets you view the place you want people to save to. Copy that URL. We'll use it in WordPress so your visitors can pin directly to your chosen destination. Now switch over to your WordPress site. Open the site editor for the page or template where your images appear. This is where we'll add a simple, no-code Pinterest button beneath your images. In the editor, open the block inserter and use the search field to type buttons. Select the buttons block to add it to your page. If you're given style choices, pick a clean single button layout. Place the button directly under the image you want people to save. If the button lands in the wrong spot at first, just drag it below the image block or use the up and down arrows to position it. Click inside the button to edit the label. Change the text to something clear like Save to Pinterest or Pin it. With the button still selected, add your link. Paste the Pinterest profile or board URL you copied earlier. If your theme supports link settings, consider toggling Open in New tab so visitors aren't navigated away from your site when they click. Keep the link simple for now, no code required. With the button in place, center it for a clean, consistent look. Use the alignment control and choose Align Middle. That keeps your call to action tidy under each image and makes it easy for visitors to see. Take a moment to preview your changes. Confirm the button text is readable, the link works, and it sits directly under the correct image. If everything looks good, click Save. When prompted, finalize by clicking Launch or Publish so the update goes live. Repeat the same approach anywhere you showcase images. Add a buttons block under each image you want to make pinnable. Reuse the same button text, and keep the link consistent if you're sending saves to one board. You can also duplicate the button to speed things up, then drag the copy beneath the next image. That's it. No plugins, no code, just a clean Pinterest button under your images that your audience can use right away.